Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing the flip over method with this coily wig. So this is actually the first style, so I'm going to be showing you the second style shortly. So I'm only using a bundle for this wig because I couldn't find two. I only got one wig on that very day. I only got one bundle, and I also took it out of the pack, so I can't remember the name of the hair. So it's just personal preference. You don't have to use only a bundle for this hair. I mean a pack. You don't have to use a pack for this hair. You can use 2 packs, 3 packs, depending on how full you want the hair to be. I actually like full hair, but on this day I don't have 2 packs. I only have a pack, and I'm going to use it to make this full wig. So I use it to, after making the wig, my sister helped me to model it, and we did 2 styles. You see the first style at the beginning of this video, then we're going to show you the second style at the end of the video. You can actually use it without your hair out or with your hair out, depending on your preference at that particular day. So I know my sister is not the best person to model this hair because she is bald. Like, she has she is bald on the 2 sides of her temples, so she doesn't have hair at the side of her temples. So but then I couldn't still model it myself because I'm currently on low cut, so I'm not the best person to model it, and she's not either. So she just modeled it anyway. But the idea is to show you how you can do the flip over method. Okay, you're going to keep playing your tracks as you go up until a defined U shape is formed. And meanwhile, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and also like this video. Okay, now I'm going to start the flip over method because I'm at the temples now. I'm at the temples of the wig now. So when you get to the temples of the wig, your U shape is more defined at that point. So you begin the flip over method. So you're just going to continue back and forth in the U shape until you get to the very end of the wig cap. So like I said, you can use more than a pack for this wig, just so it's very full. So I only have a pack, so I decided to just manage it that way. So you don't have to criticize me for using 1 pack. You can use 2 packs if you want. I'm just trying to show you the flip over method. Okay, you're going to be laying your final tracks directly on the very end of the wig cap, away from the face, making sure that the ends of the wig cap does not show. Okay, now we are done with the wig, so you're going to style this hair in whichever direction that you want, to the right, to the left. So at the beginning of this video, I showed you the first style that you can rock without your hair out. So in the second style, I'm going to be showing you the one you can rock with your hair out. So do it whichever way you want. I know my sister is not the best person to rock this hair because she's actually bald at her temples. So this is the second style now with your hair out. So you can do it whichever way you want it, either with your hair out or without your hair out. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you have not liked this video also, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.